guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another vintage padlock. It's a Yale, and it was given to me by my fantastic friend JJ80 on UK Lock Sport as a thank you for letting him borrow my Abus lock. I'm popping that there for the simple reason that I've got this also in my lock collection. It's literally identical, but as you can see, this is like a vintage, I would say 1960s, 70s, 80s bike lock. Picks that open, so this little beauty is going to look fantastic next to it. Say Javid sent me this with another lock for my collection as a thank you for the Abus that he borrowed and picked open and did really well with it. No working key. I'm going to start at the back, work to the front, and literally just pick over those wafers gently like so. So that's another lovely vintage Yale wafer lock picked open. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.